Hello, everybody, and thank you for being here. I'm Mr. Deere, the teacher for this lesson, and today we're going to have an introduction to our lesson. And to get started, let's check out this Prezi. That's how we're going to get started. We're all going to be studying the Prezi. And so to start with the lesson guide, this project is going to be a combination of several different projects. So to start with, we're going to research charities, and we're going to choose a charity, a local charity that we want to support. So each of your groups, each group will get to pick its own charity. And so from that, we're going to develop a fundraising plan, and we're going to try to help raise money for our charity using a GoFundMe page. In addition to that, we're going to create a mural, which we're going to paint together as part of our group project. And so for each group will have 4 different jobs to fill. One is the GoFundMe director, who is going to help make sure the page is managed well. The fundraising and PR director is the person who actually does some outreach, connects with the charity, tries to organize things, and then helps with the fundraising aspect. The artistic director is going to be in charge of the mural project and help make sure that runs smoothly. And then the project manager is going to oversee all of these things and make sure that everybody gets their work done in a timely manner so that you can meet the deadline and present your project when it's due. So, with that overview in mind, let's check out some of the aspects of the project. So here is a list of charities that you're going to research. So your group will look through these charities and pick one that you want to support. Does anyone in your group have any experience with any charities? Maybe you can all talk about any charities that you already know about. So after you choose your charity, now you're ready to start the GoFundMe campaign. So you're going to watch these videos and get to know what GoFundMe is like and how it works and how we're going to create one. Next is the Mural Project, where your group is going to take some pictures of your charity or use some pictures from the charity's website in order to make a collage that you can turn into a 4x6 mural. Now it's possible that they may ask you to paint their mural somewhere on a wall near their charity. So that's, you think that would be exciting? And then let's skip to the celebration, where we are going to have an open house night where you invite your family and friends to come and hear you present your projects. And we're going to present the fundraising projects and the charities and get to share our parts in all of this, as well as the mural. So that's the introduction to our project. Now what you need next is to be connected with Google Classroom. So Google Classroom is where you're going to find a lot of the materials you need for this project. So for example, here is a resource page where you can see videos that we are going to watch or you need to watch about GoFundMe. Here's videos about the mural project, and then here's the list of the charities that you can choose from. We also have a rubric here. This is what you're going to refer to in order to see exactly what you need to do to get a good grade for this. And I'm sure you all are going to do great, and this is where you're going to look to find out exactly what you need to do. So we also have exit tickets here. These will be used throughout the project to check your understanding. And then we have a self-assessment, which you'll do at the end of the project. So we'll also find that here. So that is about it. That is the bulk of the project. It's going to be very exciting. We're going to learn a lot of new skills and develop the skills we already have. And you're going to do great. It's going to be very exciting, and I can't wait. So look forward to seeing you in class and finishing this amazing project. Thank you.